Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tavde from Gossipfunda. 3 life-changing Windows tips and tricks 2023. First up we have pin apps to the start menu. Windows 11 provides us with pinned apps which helps us to make a customizable menu. This helps us to make a menu which has all the apps we use on regular basis. For this, you simply have to click on all apps, then go to the app you want in your menu. Right-click on it and select Pin to start. Similarly, if you want to remove any app, then right-click on it and select Unpin. Next in row, we have Dictation with punctuation. This makes it easier for us to write a document without actually typing it. We simply need to open a Word or a Notepad doc and then press on Windows key with the H key. This starts the microphone. Then you can just say the things that you want to be written in the document. Now to add punctuations, go to the settings and just turn on add punctuations. This will add punctuations such as full stops, commas, exclamation, etc. in the sentence that you have just said. Last trick that we have here is snap layout. Now there is minimize, maximize and close button at the top of the browser. If you hover over the maximize button, you will see several layouts which helps to arrange different browser pages at the same time. There are different layouts which you can select according to your priority of the browser tabs. This makes it easier for us to view different apps or different websites all together at a single page. And also we can decide the priority based on the apps or the websites that we are viewing and select the layout accordingly and change the size of the pages as well. Thank you for watching the video. Hope that it has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to Gossipfunda. Do not forget to put your query in the comment section below.